Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to walk through a new topic, and the topic is how you can add pages on your Shopify platform. It is a quick tutorial for you guys, so without any further ado, let's get started. So if you want to add a page in here, you just need to follow the simple step. You just need to go over here online store. Once you come over here, then you will find out the options called page. You just need to select this one, and then here you will get the option for add a new page over that place. Just select this one. Once you select this one, here you just need to be add your name, like I am going to create a contact page, contact us, and then just click to the save. Once you click over here, it will take a couple of minutes and then it will be created. This is the easiest way to create your page on Shopify, and now you can customize it, started your work in here. So I hope you understand how easy the process was, and think you remember, always make it the visibility visible before page save it. So I hope you understand how easy the process was. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.